Good morning, lovely fourth graders. Today we'll learn that a fraction can be a multiple of a unit fraction. A unit fraction is a fraction whose numerator is 1. Remember that a multiple is the product of a given number and any whole number that is not 0. When a whole number is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is described as 1/4. So this is the whole, and these would be 1/4. On this left side here, you'll see other fractions that are called unit fractions as well. If you notice, there is a 1 in each of these numerators. So these are all unit fractions. Today, I want to show you how to solve this problem. Courtney ran 3/4 of the way to school. How many 1/4 pieces are in the fraction strip that is 3/4 of a unit long? So there are 1, 2, 3 equal pieces that are 1/4 pieces, or 1/4. In order for me to write this fraction, I have to write 3/4 is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 times, and what's the unit fraction? 1/4. Or I can write 3 times 1, 2, 3, 1/4 is equal to 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, which is still going to give me 3/4. Make sure when you're multiplying that you only multiply the numerator times the whole number. Remember, we leave that denominator alone. Let me show you some more examples. 3/6, which is a fraction, is going to be equal to 3 times what unit fraction? So because my denominator is a 6, this is going to stay a 6. And remember, when we're multiplying unit fractions always have a 1. So 3 times 1, 6. 2/5 is equal to what whole number times this unit fraction? So I see over here that it's 2/5, and if I multiply 2 times 1, I'm going to have 2, and remember the denominator stays the same. Once again, 3/8, my whole number is a 3, so it's going to be 3 times 1 on the top, and then my denominator stays the same. So what would this look like? 6/4. So I know my unit fraction would be 1/4. So what would my whole number be? So my whole number times this 1 will equal 6. So my whole number must be 6. And to change it from multiplying into a fraction, I multiply the whole number times the 1, which is the top of the unit fraction, which is going to give me 5. And then remember, my denominator stays the same. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.